Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Shark Wz240 is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cordless stick vacuums on the market, designed to tackle everyday messes with ease. Its lightweight design and cordless freedom make cleaning effortless, allowing you to move seamlessly from room to room without being tethered by a cord. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust bunnies, or spilled cereal, this vacuum is engineered to deliver exceptional suction power and effective cleaning performance on various floor types, making it a top contender for anyone seeking a convenient and efficient cleaning solution for their home. Number 5. Eureka RapidClean Pro NEC 186 Cordless Stick Vacuum. Experience the convenience of powerful, thorough cleaning with our latest motor technology. This device makes tidying up your home a breeze. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of consistent power on a single charge. Need more suction for tougher jobs? Simply switch to max power with a fingertip control. Take a break without worry. Its unique easy rest feature allows you to safely prop it up on countertops or furniture, keeping it ready for your next cleaning session. Cleaning under beds and furniture is no longer a challenge. The innovative design allows it to lay completely flat, ensuring no dust bunnies are left behind. See every speck of dust and debris, even in dimly lit areas. The bright LED headlights guide your way, making it easier to clean every corner of your home. What we like? Experience effortless cleaning with its extended runtime and smart design. Its unique easy rest feature allows you to pause cleaning conveniently. If you need a vacuum that can reach under furniture and offers a comfortable cleaning experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The Shark Wz240 has a powerful suction that picks up dirt and debris effectively. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The battery life is impressive, providing ample cleaning time on a single charge. Number 4. 9141 Replacement Filter Kit for Shark Stick Vacuums. Ensure your Shark 9141, 9140, IZ140, and other compatible stick vacuums run at their best. This kit is designed for a perfect fit with your specific model. Experience cleaner air with our premium filters. They capture 99.97% of dust and particles as small as 0.3 microns, thanks to H13 efficiency. Keep your vacuum performing optimally with these easy-to-maintain filters. Simply rinse them with water and let them air dry for reuse. This pack includes 2 HEPA filters and 4 pre-motor foam and felt filters. It's everything you need to replace your old, worn-out filters. Replacing your filters is a breeze. We recommend changing them every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your usage, to maintain peak performance. Please verify your vacuum model number before purchasing. This kit is specifically for models like 9141, 9140, IZ140, and others listed, but not for the 163 or 162 series. What we like? Maintain peak performance for your compatible Shark vacuum with these high-efficiency filters. They capture 99.97% of particles, ensuring cleaner air. If you own specific Shark models and prioritize air quality and filter longevity, these washable HEPA and foam filters are an essential purchase. What people say. The Shark Wz240 has a powerful suction that picks up dirt and debris effectively. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to maneuver around furniture and stairs. The battery life is impressive, providing enough power for extended cleaning sessions. Number 3. Eureka RapidClean Ultra NEC 370 GR Cordless Stick Vacuum. Experience effortless cleaning with this lightweight vacuum. Its powerful motor tackles daily messes and high-traffic areas with ease. Enjoy extended cleaning sessions with up to 40 minutes of operation on a single charge. The detachable battery offers convenience and flexibility. Breathe easier with our advanced filtration system. It effectively captures even the smallest dust particles, ensuring a cleaner home. Stay informed with the smart LED display showing real-time battery levels. Effortlessly switch between 3 cleaning modes for optimal performance. Reach every corner with ease. The low-profile design and swivel steering allow you to effortlessly clean under furniture. Tackle any cleaning task with the included attachments. It's perfect for hard floors, carpets, and removing pet hair from multiple surfaces. What we like? Discover a lightweight yet powerful cleaning companion with an impressive runtime. Its advanced filtration system ensures a thorough clean every time. If you're looking for a versatile vacuum that's easy to handle for both floor and above-floor cleaning, and offers long-lasting power, consider this model. What people say. The Shark Wz240 has a powerful suction that picks up dirt and debris effectively. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The battery life is impressive, lasting for up to 45 minutes on a single charge, which is more than enough for cleaning my entire house. Number 2. Shark Wz240 Anti-Allergen Pet Plus Cordless Vacuum, Renewed. Introducing a powerful cordless vacuum designed for efficient cleaning. Tackle dirt and debris on both carpets and floors with ease. Enjoy extended cleaning sessions thanks to its removable battery. Get up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Specifically engineered for pet owners, its self-cleaning brush roll ensures powerful pet hair pickup without frustrating hair wrap. Experience a deeper clean with the innovative PowerFins nozzle. It provides continuous cleaning performance across all surfaces. This vacuum comes with essential accessories, including a duster crevice tool and an upholstery tool, for versatile cleaning around your home. Its XL capacity means you can handle extended cleaning tasks without frequent emptying, making chores quicker and easier. What we like. Tackle pet messes with confidence thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair wrap. Enjoy powerful suction and an extra-large dustbin for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. If pet hair is a constant battle in your home, this vacuum is designed to make your life significantly easier. What people say. The Shark Wz240 is a powerful vacuum cleaner with excellent suction. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and stairs. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 60 minutes on a single charge. Number 1. IZ662H IZ682H Filters for Shark Rocket Pet Pro. Ensure the best air quality in your home with these replacement filters. They are designed to help you achieve very high air quality requirements. These filters are specifically designed for compatibility with Shark stick vacuum models IZ662H and IZ682H. Please note they are not compatible with units manufactured in 2022. Experience premium filtration with these replacement parts. They are engineered to capture 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This kit includes everything you need for effective filtration. You'll receive 2 replacement filters, 4 foam filters, and 4 felt filter kits. Replacing your filters is effortless and requires no tools. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing them every 120 days. What we like. Ensure superior air quality in your home with these genuine replacement filters. Designed for specific Shark models, they capture tiny particles effectively. If you have high air quality requirements and own compatible Shark vacuums, these filters offer a simple and effective way to maintain a healthier living environment. What people say. The Shark Wz240 is a game changer for pet owners, effortlessly tackling pet hair on all surfaces. Its lightweight design and cordless operation make cleaning a breeze, allowing for quick and easy maneuverability around the house. The powerful suction and multiple attachments ensure a thorough clean, reaching even the most stubborn dirt and debris. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.